What's up, guys? Back again with another one. Remember, in the previous video I did mention that I'm gonna come back with the full review, and without any wasting of time, let's start. This is a Toyota Hilux Rider 2.4 GDS. Basically what it means is that this is a 2.4 liter pickup truck or a bakkie. It's got 110 kilowatts, which translates to 147 horsepower, and then it pumps out 400 newton meters of torque, so that makes it a bit, fasting, and so it goes. It's not very lazy. Plus, it's got a power button, you will see inside. In other cars they call it the sports button. So let's talk about what we see in the outside here. As you can see, this is not a high spec end. I think it's a middle range, because the lighting is all fairly normal. It's got a fog light over there that actually works, but unfortunately the vents here are fake, and the grill is beautiful, man. I would have loved this grill to be black, this silver lining here coming here to be black. But if you want to get the black one, get this one over here, the high end. Yes, the RS. So yeah, but this one is still fine anyway. And when it's clean, this is so beautiful because it's chrome. It's very beautiful with a big Toyota logo over there. And then I kind of like this thing that sits like a front splitter, but it's not, And then coming on the other side, we've got the 2.4 GD-6. Basically, the GD-6 means that you're driving a 2.4 engine with 6 forward gear ratio. Blacked out mirror, that makes the car beautiful. Yes, and obviously the side step. This car is very high. It's a raised body, so it's very high. You need the side step, your petrol cap here, the canopy, and then the tires is running on 17 inches alloy. They are very good for my environment because I'm in Limpopo right now, and then the roads, believe me, they are not friendly. My other two cars are injured. They are hurt as we speak, and that's why we got this one, And then coming at the back here, let me give you a clear view. As you can see, it's a Toyota Hilux Rider. Okay, there's something which will come on the things that I don't like about this car, but I'm just gonna mention it here right now. Let's open this one. Yep, it's this, man. This is so heavy. This boot lid is very heavy, but very strong, because it can carry some serious weight here. But hey, it's very heavy. Yeah, this is the bird or the back, all nice and painted. Let's close this. Oh my god, it is heavy, damn it. I wish they could do the electronic one. And let's come to the other side, the rear lighting here, as you can see. Oh, and by the way, the car has got a reverse camera and PDC, so you are assisted when you are reversing by a camera and PDC. Also in the front there are some PDCs. And then now we're gonna go check the car from the inside. Let's start the review from the back of the car, back of the bakkie, back of the truck, depend whatever you call it, depend on the country where you're from. Okay, I'm sitting at the back seat here. Peachy can't see me, but you can see shortly. Yeah, so it's basically okay. It's a 3-seater. Yeah, the back, because basically the car is a 5-seat, and then the front seat have got some pockets where you can put your things. Yeah, that's okay. Your lighting over here and over there, control system. Let me give you a good clear view of the cabin, of the front, of the cockpit. I think it's fine. As you can see, over there is an automatic transmission. Your about 8-inch radio infotainment display, whatever you want to call it, and the cabin over there. You just press the button here to open it. I'm going to show you a bit shortly. And your steering wheel with your control, at least, and then also this car's got a cruise control, and then your door controls over there. And then also on the other side, you can still open the door. Even the rear people can still open the door. The windows. Yeah, so, and your speaker over there. So it's basically a very good car. The manual climate control over there. So let's jump in the front and then talk about what you see here in details. Apologies for the sound. I'm filming in public today, and I'm in Limpopo, Thoyanda. Now let's get inside the car. We're gonna keep the door open so we can see clearly what's happening here. We're gonna start here. The cabin, I mean the storage here is big enough, and then also an armrest. Your arm can rest very well. The gear lever, easily to operate. That's very good. And the most important thing about this car is these two buttons. When you're in eco mode, you are driving nice and friendly to the road. You are not speeding or you are not towing anything else. But hey, when you press this button, the engine sound changes. The car becomes aggressive. For a big car, it's very fast because it can go from 0 to 100 in about 13 seconds. Yeah, for a truck that is heavy with the canopy on and those roll bars that are still. Yes. So I'm gonna turn on the car a little bit. Turn on the car so we can see what the infotainment can bring to us. Yeah, the infotainment is coming alive. Yeah. Volume down. The welcome logo is the Toyota. You know, it reminds you you're in Toyota. Yeah. This is the infotainment. It basically has got your Android Auto, your USB mode, your aux. You can do everything in this car. It just depends on what you want to do. As you can see, my Bluetooth is on, so I cannot connect my phone for now. But here's my phone. Let's see if we can connect my phone now. Yeah, my phone is connected. Yes, my phone is connected. Very simple. So I just got to press home and then press menu. If I want to play music, I go there. If I want to go to my phone, to my apps, information, settings. So it's basically it's user friendly, man. It's okay. It's not a problem. But unfortunately, there isn't GPS, so you're gonna use your own via Android Auto. And when you come to this side, things are also still looking good here, as you can see. All good. Then you control this over here using this part, you know. And then this over here is your volume down, volume up, next, back, mode. You can also talk to the car. You can answer your phone here. So yeah, it's basically a good car. And also even in the front, the headroom is nice. I'm going to take pictures. You'll see that the door control over there, the door bin. This is a nice car. Oh, by the way, the competitor over there passing, the Ford Ranger. Oh, let's continue. Yeah, and then that is just about it. Let's continue. Let's get out. So we are done with this review of this mighty car. It's a good car. I've been driving it for a couple of days right now, and then I'm happy with it. I'm happy with everything. It's got power, yeah, you know, and then the full economy is good as well. So yeah, please like, comment, and then subscribe, and then see you on the next one.